Hi dear Leos, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a general love reading for all the Leos, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising, okay? Keep in mind this is general, it might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed anytime. The third thing, this is a reading from 11 till the 21st. Yeah. Let's start. Your partner's current energy right now is Leos. Your partner's current energy right now is, let's see. Four of Wands. Okay, Leo, your partner right now is celebrating some kind of, this person is right now in the celebration mode, or they are preparing for the marriage thing. I don't know what kind of energy they are carrying, but this person right now is in the celebration mode. Might be in their family there's some kind of function happening, or there's some kind of spiritual gathering happening, or something that is very exciting for them, and that's right now that is their current energy. Enjoying something or joining a party, joining some kind of celebration, okay, birthday party. I don't know what kind of energy it is. Let me clarify. Four of Wands is generally a card of marriage as well, but I don't see this person in that energy right now. Let me clarify. I have to clarify actually. But this is the celebration mode for sure. Queen of Pentacles, the Hermit, and the Five of Wands. Okay, this person is healing actually. This is Virgo energy here. Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo. This person is trying to heal from a situation and just looking within for the answers, because this person right now is going through so many kinds of inner conflicts that they are not able to decide what should they do. This person right now is not able to decide anything regarding their love life or anything regarding their marriage or something like that. That's why this person right now is trying their best to look happy and to engage themselves in something, okay, or going to parties just to avoid the situation, avoid the conflict, or avoid the inner conflict, okay, trying to go within, trying to heal from a situation, but not getting answers. This is what I'm getting here, especially the marriage or commitment part in their life. Okay, let's see what this person what's your current energy, Leos? Let's see what's your current energy. Devil. Oh, Leo, right now you are obsessed with someone or possessive for someone, or it's like, yeah, you are feeling like you are not in a healthy relationship at all. It's like you are right now in this energy of toxic kind of energy. This is toxic and this is highly addictive energy. Might be you're addicted to someone, or might be you are possessive about someone very much, or you are, it could be anything. It could be you're addicted to alcohol, you are addicted to some kind of smoking things, or you could be addicted to someone very much that you're not able to let them go. Let me clarify the devil in your current energy. Seven of Swords, and Nine of Pentacles, and Four of Wands. Some kind of secret regarding your marriage or regarding your commitment part is coming out. Okay, I think you are obsessed with someone and you are not letting them go, and you're telling them that you want to marry them and you are going to give them the all the time of the universe, and you just want to tell them like, I am going to be ready for you in the future. I will wait for you for the future commitment. I will move it slowly, because you're addicted to this person. You're not able to let them go, and you're just waiting for this person to come towards you and say to you that they love you and they want to have a commitment with you. Okay, and you're going to clearly say it to them, Leos. I feel like you're going to clearly tell them exactly how you're feeling, and that you're addicted to them, you're very passionate about them, and you can't let them go, and you want to have a marriage and your commitment with them, and you're ready to take it slow. This is your current energy. Okay, got it. Let's see what this person feels for you. Oh my god, feelings for you. Okay. Three of Cups. They feel like having a reconciliation with you, or they feel like leaving somebody else for you, or they feel like you should leave someone else to go to them. I don't know what kind of feeling it is, but let me see. But this person feels like a reconciliation. I don't know. Let me clarify the Three of Cups. One card holds so many meanings that I can't predict it, like the Two of Pentacles, King of Pentacles, and Seven of Pentacles. Okay, this person right now is juggling. This person right now is juggling and struggling and to make money in their life, first of all. The second thing, I feel like this person feels like you should just wait for the right time for this decision, whether you guys are going to be together or not. They feel like waiting is the right thing to do for both of you right now, because this person is constantly juggling, might be between you and somebody else. Leo, this person is constantly juggling between you and somebody else. Now I'm getting this Three of Cups energy, why it is here. So what they feel is they're juggling and they want to be stable. They want to take a decision, they want to be stable minded, because but they need time for that. This is what they feel. They feel like, yeah, I will choose one of you, like from you or from somebody else, but I need some time to stabilize my mind and slow down and just earn money and earn something in my life. So basically this person feels like they feel like they will choose you or somebody else with time. They don't know, but right now they want to work on the money part in their life. Okay, this is what they feel like. They just want you to wait, and God knows if after the wait also they are going to say, yeah, I love you. No, I don't see that happening. So it's up to you now. Let's see what this person wants from you. Page of Cups. This person, what this person wants from you, this person wants to restart the connection, but from a friendship level. This is what they want from you. This is Page of Cups. Even this person don't know what they want from you. So this person is like, yeah, I have feelings for you, but I don't know where to go with them. So let's start with friendship and let's see where it is going. This is what they want from you. Let me clarify the Page of Cups as what they want from you. Three of Wands and the Emperor and the Nine of Pentacles. What they want from you right now is they want you to focus on your work, and they want you to take a decision that you are going to be happy. You are going to be financially independent, and you are going to work on your finances, your looks, your job, your business, whatever it is. So what they want from you is to let's be friends. Let's be friends, and let's shift your focus and take a decision towards the money part and towards the independence part, self-dependence part. I don't know. It's like, yeah, all this person wants from you is that they want you to take a decision in your life to be self-dependent first, okay, to have lots of money, to have a career first, then only think about the love and all that shit in your life. This is what they want from you. This is plain and simple. They want to keep it simple. They want to keep it very, very down to earth, and they just want you to think about all the things that can make you dependent or independent, okay, financially especially. So shift your focus towards your money part. This is what they want from you right now. Let me see what will be the outcome till 22nd. Queen of Cups. I feel like you are going to heal. You are going to heal from a situation. You are going to find a solution to a problem, especially an emotional problem you are dealing with from a very, very long time. You are going to find a healing solution to that. You are going to heal from a situation. Let me clarify this. Let me see. Hanged Man and the Five of Pentacles and the Nine of Wands. Okay, so I feel like you are going to deal with your abandonment issues, your healing, your emotional issues, because you are feeling like somebody is just using you. Might be somebody is very on and off with you. They come towards you whenever they need, physically they need you, or they are very, very passionately physically involved with you, but whenever it comes to emotions, this person is like switch off. switched off. Okay, so that's why you are just healing from this process. You are taking your sweet time to heal from this process of emotional trauma and emotional distress, and you are feeling like you want to go away from this pain. And I feel like this person is coming in just to fulfill their needs, physical needs, or I don't know what, but you are healing. You are healing. You have serious abandonment issues from the past, and you're trying to heal from the situation. Okay, and you're no longer interested in any kind of, just for sex kind of things, or sex or friends with benefits kinds of thing. So yeah, got it. Thank you so much for tuning in, Leo. I will see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.